How to fix Snapchat we couldn't find matching account or password. So if you want to fix the Snapchat problem, which says we could not find matching account or password, or if you're facing the login problem, then the first thing is you might have enter the wrong email address or the wrong account name or password while logging into your account. So first, check your credentials if they are correct, and what you need to do is you just need to wait for 24 hours, because sometimes the Snapchat server might be down, and because of that you might not be able to use the Snapchat. And after 24 hours you can again try to log into your account and your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, you need to simply open up your Snapchat, or you can simply tap and hold on to that Snapchat application, go for the app info and go for storage and cache, and then go for clear cache. And once you've cleared your cache, now your problem might be fixed. Or you can go for your Play Store or your App Store, and once you're here on the Play Store or App Store, you can go for the search and then search for Snapchat. Once you search for Snapchat, you might have an update option under your Snapchat. So if you have an update option, you need to simply go for update and update your application, and once you update it, your problem might be fixed. So you can also go for uninstall and again install your application and try to log into your account, and your login will be success. So these were the fixes on how to fix the Snapchat. We couldn't find any matching account or password, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.